Hey, this is Melanie Abrantes Designs Carving Techniques. A gouge is a tool that scoops into the wood to create shallow hollows in surface designs. Hold the gouge with the heel of your hand and press down to create the cut. Push the gouge into the wood using long strokes. Whittling relies on a few easy cuts. If you're a beginner, focus on sharpening your skills. Hold the wood securely in your non-dominant hand. Position the blade on the wood at a slight angle, pushing the knife into the wood to remove small, shallow shavings. Use the power cut to remove big chunks of wood. Hold the wood securely in your non-dominant hand and cut with the grain and away from you using long strokes. Use the paring cut to get into tight spaces. Squeeze the knife towards you using your thumb as leverage. Use a stop cut to create perpendicular angles or carve notches in the wood for removing material. Thank you for watching a mad carving tutorial.